If you're posting content every day, but still not getting engagement, followers, or sales, it's probably not your effort, it's your ideas. In this video, I tested a product called 200 Plus Elite Influencer Prompts, and I'll show you exactly what works, what doesn't, and whether it's worth your money. Check the link in the description if you want to see it for yourself. Let's be real, you run out of content ideas, your posts feel repetitive, you don't know what actually works in the US, UK market you're posting, but not converting. In the worst part, you see others growing fast while you're stuck guessing. What you actually want is consistent viral style content ideas, content that attracts buyers, not just likes. Faster growth without burnout, a system you can follow daily. So this is where 200 Plus Elite Influencer Prompts comes in. It's basically a curated collection of high-performing prompts designed for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok affiliate marketing content. Again, link is in the description if you want to check it out. What makes this different from random prompt lists? From what I saw, these are structured for engagement plus conversions, focused on influencer-style content built around proven viral formats, can be used with AI tools like ChatGPT, so instead of guessing, you're using tested frameworks. Let me show you how I actually use this. Step 1. Pick a prompt example. Create a controversial opinion post in your niche. Step 2. Customize. I used it for a make money online niche. Step 3. Turn it into content. Instagram carousel reel script, YouTube short. Step 4. Post plus test. What I noticed: higher engagement than my usual posts, easier content creation, less time thinking, more time executing after testing. Helps remove creative block, speeds up content production, good for faceless brands like mine, works well for affiliate marketing. But remember, this is a tool, not magic. You still need consistency. The product is created by a marketer who focuses on AI-based content systems, influencer-style growth strategies. From what I saw, it's aligned with current content trends. Looking at sales page examples, other YouTube reviews, early buyer feedback, most users are saying it saves time, helps generate better content ideas, works well with AI tools. Now let's be honest, this isn't perfect. It won't guarantee viral success, you still need to execute properly. Some prompts may feel generic if overused, so if you're expecting instant results, this is not for you. It's a low-ticket product, which makes it beginner-friendly, low-risk to test. You can check current pricing using the link in description. Compared to free prompts online, scattered and low-quality expensive courses, overkill for beginners, this sits in the middle, simple plus practical. Buy this if you struggle with content ideas, you run a faceless brand, you want faster content creation. Skip this if you don't post consistently, you expect instant results, you already have a strong content system. My honest take: this is a useful shortcut tool, not a miracle product. If you combine it with consistency, good execution, smart targeting, it can definitely help you grow faster. If you want to check it out or test it yourself, check the link in the description. Also, if you found this helpful, subscribe. I'll be breaking down more tools like this with real use, not hype.